Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Today, we will explain 13.3 Identify three-dimensional shapes. We will solve together 565 and also 566. So please bring your math book, give me your attention, and we will start. First of all, we will start to remember what we learned last time about the 2D shapes, and I will remind you that I said the 2D shapes, it's a flat shape, and we did something called clapping test to check if this shape is flat or not. And we said that we have types of polygons. Let's start to revise the first type of polygon. This one, it has three sides and three angles. Three sides and three angles. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. Do you remember what we said about the polygons? We said that you need to check 3 points. It's a flat, it's a straight sides, it's a closed figure. So this is the first type of polygons. The second type, if you have 4 sides and 4 angles. So I have here 4 sides and 4 angles. Look at the sides, it's a straight sides, and I have also 4 angles. What I name it? It's a quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral. Here also, here this rectangle, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 angles. So it's also quadrilateral. Now, if you have 5 sides and 5 angles, do you remember what we name? What is the type of this polygon? Yes, it's a pentagon. It's a pentagon. It's 5 sides and also 5 angles. We name it pentagon. Pentagon. The last one, if we have 6 sides and 6 angles, what we name it? We name it hexagon. We name it hexagon. Now, this is the types of polygons. Now, let's see what's the difference between the 2D shapes and the 3D shapes. The 2D, it's two-dimensional. We have up to down, side to side. Again, up to down, side to side. This is the 2D. What about the 3D? We have up to down, side to side, front to back. Again, up to down, side to side, front to back. Okay, now we need to understand that this one, we name it service. It's a service, and we have 2 types of services. This one is a flat. Look how it's flat. And we have another type. It's a curved. Here we have curved. Some of shapes has only flat surfaces. Some of 3D shapes has only curved, and there is another type has both of them, curved and flat. Now let's see what is the names of the 3D shapes. Let's start to practice the 3D shapes. We will start one by one to understand and practice. The first one is cube. Repeat after me. It's a cube. Look here at the surface. It's flat. How many flat surfaces are there? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down we have 6. I will raise it up to you. It's 6. Look at the surface. All of these are squares. Yes, all of these are squares. So repeat it one more time. What we name it? Cube. Again, cube. Now we will see the pyramid. Look at this pyramid. Here it's a flat, and here also flat surface. Here. So these are 4, and I have one more down like a square. So this is a pyramid. This is a pyramid. Now we will understand rectangular prism. Again, rectangular prism. Actually, we need to understand that there is two types of rectangular prism. The first one here. Look at the surface. This one is a flat. All of the surfaces are flat. So I will see the shape of this surface. It's a rectangle. And here, rectangle. Here, rectangle. The last one, rectangle also. But here what I have? Square. And here, square also. So this is the first type of rectangular prism. 4 rectangles and 2 squares. The second type of rectangular prism is here. Look here. This is the surface. Look at this shape alone. This one, it's a rectangle. What about this? It's also rectangle. And here, it's also rectangle. And here also rectangle. The one is down, also rectangle. So it's 6, but all of these are rectangles. So we will remember that we have 2 types of rectangular prism. On this one, there is 4 rectangles and 2 squares, while here there is 6 rectangles. Now, do you remember the ice cream cone? Yes. So this is the cone. In the cone, I have here curved surface, and here it's a flat surface. So again, here I have curved surface, and here it's a flat surface. Repeat after me what we name it. Cone. One more time. Cone. Now look at the curved surface. Here I have only curved surface. What we name it? Sphere. Again, sphere. Repeat after me. Sphere. Now the last one for today, it's a cylinder. It's a cylinder. Look at this cylinder. In the cylinder we have this surface, it's a flat. We have another one down, it's a flat. And here there is a curved surface. So you have 2 flat surfaces and 1 curved surface. Let's make a fast revise. I will ask you and you should answer. What is this shape? Yes, cube. Again, cube. One more time, cube. Now this one, excellent, rectangular prism. It's a rectangular prism. What about this? Excellent. It's a pyramid. Again, pyramid. Here, what we name this shape? It's a cone. Excellent. Cone. What about this one? It's a cylinder. Again, cylinder. Now, let's start to solve the first question on 565. He's asking us to write what is the name of this shape. It's very clear. Look at the first question. Here is the first shape. This is the shape. Do you remember what is it? Yes, excellent. This one, it's a cone. So number 1 is a cone. What about number 2? Do you remember this shape? Yes, excellent. It's a pyramid. So write it down now. Cone and pyramid. Now here we will match 3-dimensional figure with its name. What is the first one? Do you remember what we name it? I will show it to you. What we name this shape? It's a rectangular prism. It's a rectangular prism. What about this one? It's a pyramid. Pyramid. What about this one? We have it also. Excellent. Cube. So make a straight line here, cube. And the last one for ice cream, cone. It's a cone. Make a straight line, please. Now, on question number 7, he is asking us to guess what is the shape. He said for us, there is a figure has 1 flat surface and 1 curved surface. Do you remember what is this shape? I will give you a hint. 1 curved surface and 1 flat surface. Excellent. It's a cone. Now you are ready to solve your homework. It's page 568, the questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good luck.